I think I just found the ultimate prize. Buried under 30 years of hay is a classic tractor that the world forgot about. Look at that original paint hiding under all this dust. They just don't build them like this anymore. We have to save her. She's not going to come out easy. Her brakes are locked and the tires are flat. Time to bring in the heavy chains. I'm hooking up to the main axle. In a recovery like this, you have to be careful not to snap the old iron frame. Welcome back to the world. Seeing this machine in the sunlight for the first time in decades is an incredible feeling for any farmer. The chain is singing. I'm putting every horse our working Ford has into this pull. Come on, just give me an inch. There she goes. She's dragging and screaming, but we are finally winning the battle against 30 years of rust and gravity. Now for the most satisfying part. We're blasting away the barn grime to see exactly what we've been working with all this time. The fuel is fresh and the batteries are hot. This is the moment of truth. Will she fire up or is she too far gone? She's alive! That beautiful diesel roar means the resurrection is complete. Another piece of American history saved by US.